Good evening, I'm Brad Page, and this is your Russound update for July 2024. Russound Dealers is your company listed on our Dealer Locator website. Is your information up to date? Well, if not, you're missing out on potential sales. So to get listed, or for any corrections, go to russound.com/dealerinfo and complete the form. Hot on the heels of our D1290 Innovative Install Contest, this month we've launched an Innovative Install Contest for the AVA amplifiers. Show us how you're finding creative ways to use the AVA 2.1 or the AVA 3.1 amplifiers, and you could win a free AVA 3.1 for yourself. And now, here's your Boston weather. We're down here at the Boston City Hall. I'm telling you, it is wicked hot today. It's a scorcher. Well, that's the weather. Back to you. Thanks, Brad. Russound was recently featured in a case study article in Residential Systems. Read the article in the July edition of the magazine or on the website here. And here's your Russound tech tip for this month. Be sure to update the Russound app on your XTS7 to get all the latest bug fixes and the new features. To check the version of your Russound app, launch the app and you'll see the version number while it's loading. 1.6 is the current version of the app. Now, the app doesn't update automatically, so if you have an older version, here's how you update it. Go to the Google Play Store and search for the Russound app. Once the Play Store has found the app, click the Update button. If you haven't signed into the Google Play Store before, you'll need to log in or create a Google account if you don't have one. Once the update process is complete, the new version is ready for you to play your favorite music. That's your Russound update for July. Thanks for watching.